Hey, happy holidays. I'll be talking about my application CherryBite. It is an application to find the perfect recipe for the holidays. On the home page, we have a list of categories with different recipes under that category, and each of these recipes is listed in a horizontal scrolling manner. You could click on these buttons or you could use your mouse to scroll, and there are about 7 categories listed here. At the bottom, we have a randomly generated joke about food, which gets randomly generated each time we refresh the page. Then we have a nice looking footer, holiday season footer. Then moving on to the feature about searching, we can search for recipes, or you could go ahead and search for a recipe. For example, we search pizza, we'll get recipes about pizza. Now, if you want to see more about that recipe, we can click the red arrow here. Now we'll see an image with a title, with some featured details like how much time it takes to cook it, how much amount per serving, its health score. We get to see it's just a small description, ingredients it needs, and the instructions of how to cook it. We'll also see related recipes that are related to this particular food item. Now moving on to videos, and you can go ahead and search for your own. So for example, we search pizza here again. We'll find recipes related to pizzas, and under saved we have all the recipes that we have saved. So if you go back to search, there's a nice green button which you can use to save a recipe. So if we, for example, click on this cherry cake with cherry frosting, we'll get a nice notification saying recipe saved, and under saved we'll see that recipe pop up. The same way, we can also delete a recipe. If we delete this, it'll get removed from the database. And that is about it for my CherryBite application. Hope you have an awesome holiday. Thank you.